Hi, friends. Welcome back to Shorty Sews. I'm so glad you're here. In today's tutorial, we're continuing our beginner sewing box series with another fun and beginner-friendly project. Whether you're brand new to sewing or just looking for a quick project, you're in the right place. Grab your supplies, and let's get sewing. Today we're making project number 1 from the beginner sewing box, the scrunchie. This is the perfect first project for new sewists because it teaches basic sewing skills while creating something cute, practical, and fun to wear. Your scrunchie kit includes one pre-cut fabric rectangle and one piece of elastic. Let's get started. Take the fabric to your sewing machine and sew along the long edge using a straight stitch. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of your seam to secure your stitches. Pinning is optional at this point as the seam is straight and the fabric is pre-folded and pressed for you. Once you've sewn the seam, trim any loose threads. We will now cut off the excess seam allowance, which is the fabric to the left of the sewn line. You will cut it down to about 1/4 inch. Make sure to not cut through your stitches. Now we'll turn the fabric tube right side out, by pushing the short folded edge into itself. This can be hard at first, but you can do it. If you are having trouble doing it just by hand, you can use a safety pin, or a turning tool, to work the fabric through the tube until the pretty side is facing out. I like to use a safety pin myself. Attach the safety pin to the folded-in short edge. Push it into the tube and help the folded edge over the safety pin until it starts to push the fabric inside out. Keep guiding the safety pin until you reach the opening at the other end. Gently pull the fabric out. When you reach the other side, remove the safety pin and smooth out the fabric tube. Next, grab your elastic and a safety pin. Attach the safety pin to one end of the elastic. Thread the elastic through the fabric tube, being careful not to lose the other end inside the tube. As you work the elastic through, gather the fabric along the elastic until it comes out the opposite end. It's important not to let go of the elastic end. If you do lose it, simply remove the elastic and start over. Remove the safety pin from the elastic. Hold both ends of the elastic together and overlap them by about 1/2 inch. Sew back and forth across the elastic several times to securely join the ends together. Give the elastic a gentle tug to make sure the seam is secure. Now tuck the raw end of the fabric tube inside the folded end by about 1/2 inch. This will hide the raw edges and create a clean finish. Pin the opening closed. I line up the seam allowances so that it is not twisted. Take the scrunchie back to your sewing machine and sew close to the folded edge to close the opening. I missed a part of the folded edge on the backside. That's okay. I can resew along that edge to close the opening. Remove the scrunchie from the machine and trim any loose threads. Fluff the gathers around the elastic and adjust them evenly around the scrunchie. And just like that, you've made your very own scrunchie. Congratulations on completing project number 1 from the beginner sewing box. This simple project teaches several foundational sewing skills and is a great way to build confidence before moving on to the next projects in the box. Thanks for sewing with me today. Next up, we'll be making the fabric headband, project number 2 from the beginner sewing box. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Shorty Sews, and share it with a friend who wants to learn to sew. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep sewing. I'll see you in the next project.
Bye!